Today, we're going to begin our second assessment within Indiana Career Explorer. So, if you're not logged in yet, please use your Clever app to log into Indiana Career Explorer. Once you're there, you're going to point to this third icon here at the top and then click on the first word, which is assessments. Once you've clicked on assessments, if you scroll down, you should see the three assessments that are located in Indiana Career Explorer. The only one as to date that you have completed is this first one, which was the Career Interest Assessment. The next one we're going to complete today is the Agile Work Profiler. You can see mine here says view results or take again. And the reason why is I've already taken it. You should see an option that says start now. Go ahead and click start now. The first three questions are very basic. As you're filling out your first name, last name, and your email address, please make sure that you're using your @stu email. That way it knows where to send results or anything else that might come with the information associated with your Agile or your Agilities regarding work. So just briefly, I'm going to talk to you briefly about this introduction and what it is. It says, are you curious about which career path to follow, how to describe your experience on a resume, which we're going to get to later in the year, and how to confidently discuss your strengths and skills in an interview? This is where this is going to help you. This Agile Work Profiler will identify your strengths and job skills through what we call agilities. Agilities are groups of work activities that describe your strengths and your interests as they relate to your career. You will be asked to rate your skill in 24 work activities and how much you enjoy doing them. This survey is going to take roughly 15 minutes. Once you fill out, these are the first three questions actually on the assessment or the Agile Profiler. Go ahead and click agree and click next. Then you will begin with question 4, and you're going to continue going down and keep clicking next until the end of the survey. As you get through some of the questions, I want to just point out what one of these means as far as how to read the examples as well. This question, for an example, says, how good are you at collecting and managing information or facts and numbers? So your options are uniquely gifted, expert, proficient, competent, advanced, beginner, novice, or bottom of the pack. The way I would view these: uniquely gifted, yes, you are a rock star at these. You know you're great at them. I would say competent is, yeah, you know what you're doing at surface level, but you're not great, but you're not awful. And then bottom of the pack, meaning you're just not good at those things. And that's absolutely okay. When you get to these types of questions, there's an example listed below. Please read the example. For an example, this one says, doing internet searches or database scans, collecting and organizing information. These examples, when you get to these types of questions, will really help you know how to answer those types of questions. When you get to the last few questions, number 66, in which year were you born? Either choose, I'm guessing, 2010 or 2009. I'm just going to say 2009. And then the last two questions, if you prefer to just put prefer not to answer or some other race or ethnicity, that's totally fine. And then the last question, please make sure that you use our school zip code, which is 46517, and then click next. Once you've clicked next, it will tell us what our agilities are. We will pick back up on this to start exploring what exactly those results mean to you.